Righto, Alia, we've got about 4 days before we go on long drive for a drought. This is your first time going away in the Troopy. So we've got a fair bit of stuff we're taking with us, but some of the stuff we're taking away is a whole lot of electronic stuff so we can document, keep a record of what's going on. So I've got 2 GoPros, we've got a laptop, we've got little phone chargers. On top of that, there's your phone, my little Garmin watch. There's a stack of stuff that you don't realise that it adds up, that you start taking away with you when you want to try to capture and document all this type of stuff. As well as we're going to try to run the old Waco fridge. Now this whole Waco fridge has been with us for a long time. Now we can't just rely on using the car battery to keep all this stuff charged up as we're driving, because we'll either send the car battery flat when we're not driving, or we just don't have the equipment to plug it all in. So what are we going to use, Alia?
Blue Eddy.
Blue Eddy, yes. So this is the baby Blue Eddy. This is the smallest of the lot. This is an EB3A. It's 600 watts of power. This is going to be a real test for this thing because it is a small unit, which is great because it's small and it's portable. It means we can pack it in. We've got a lot of stuff we're going to have to pack with this stuff. We've got beds, swags, we've got a whole lot of products we're going to be taking away to give away. Fit in nice and easy into the car, but it's going to be a real test, isn't it? How do you reckon it's going to go?
I reckon it'll go alright.
Yeah, I'm not real sure, but it is a big ask for it, trying to run the fridge and charge all our laptops and GoPros and phones and everything else. It's a big ask, especially the fridge. The fridge will really work it hard. Hopefully with a bit of planning we can keep it running during the day, and we'll see how it runs through the night and keeps everything charged. So, but the exciting thing is, on top of that, Blue Eddy are giving away one of these EB3As on this drive. So it'll come up in the Long Drive for a Drought Facebook page on one of their auctions. And they're kind enough to not only give away the Blue Eddy, the EB3A power station, they've given us a few of these jumpers. They're quite nice, aren't they? So to give away as well. So we're going to throw them in some of the raffle packs throughout the event as well. So Blue Eddy have gone all out and helped us out for Long Drive for a Drought. Well, now that's all packed in, I think we should start getting your bedding and the swags and everything else, and we'll try to organise it all in. Pack in the little unit and see how we go.
Sounds good.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Righto, let's do it. How's the road at the moment, eh, Ali? Turn the unit on. How much power we've got? So we're 99% charged, and it tells us that we can run for about 5.7 hours on the fridge. Righto, so our little phone charger, so our little backup charger, my Garmin watch, the GoPro, our Rode microphone. The main thing is this laptop, so plug it straight in and the laptop is charging away for the next day's use. That's really cool. And on top of all of that, my phone, which all I need to do is sit that straight on top, and it's wireless charging. To charge the Blue Eddy while you're traveling along, simple as plugging this in here. But all I've done is I've just bought this adapter with an Anderson plug on it, and we're going to plug that straight into the car, and that's going to charge the whole system while we're driving every day. Righto, so we've been out on the track, we've hit some pretty rough roads so far, as you've already seen. Corrugations, dust, we've been running the Blue Eddy EB3A the whole way. We've been pushing this to the limit. We've been running the fridge, charging all our GoPros, laptops, a whole lot on the trip. We've been running this flat every single day and then charging it back up. So we're pushing this pretty hard. With all the dust and the corrugations, you can see it's covered in dust. We have a quick wipe over. This Blue Eddy has not failed us yet. It's been an absolute ripper, and I've been quite impressed with it. So far, the recommendations for the Blue Eddy continue to be pretty strong, and the way this is built has really been done really well for these training conditions and out here in the outback. So check out the Blue Eddy.